What is up, y'all? This is JT again, and now we're gonna show the Subcompact 3/8, and I do have to have an adapter, so this is gonna rob some of the torque. Keep that in mind. But right now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna start off at 80 foot-pounds really quick, because it's starting to snow pretty good. And it's at 80 foot-pounds. We're gonna see what gear these different impacts can do this in. Alright, so we're going to start off with the big guy just to get a comparison sake for the small one. So you'll have to stick around for the small one, the Subcompact. We're going to do this in first gear, and I already know what's going to happen. First gear. First gear in auto mode will go over 100 foot-pounds, so you got to be careful. On the mid torque, on the high torque, who knows, it may go to 200 in first gear. So we're gonna do the same thing. Gonna tighten it back up. Oh, jeez. Let's loosen this one back up because I think it was too tight. So there we go. Perfect. And then we'll grab the little one. Oh my gosh, my $1,000 camera is getting soaked. So we're gonna go, let's go speed 1. Just to see if it can do it. I don't think it will, but I've been surprised before. So, speed 2, 80 foot-pounds, no problem. Wow, this one for some reason is a little tighter than the rest. I'm not sure why it does that. And this probably would be a lot more accurate if I had the car jacked up, but I don't have enough time because my camera's getting soaked. Okay, did it. Hate this socket. And then to tighten them, I'm gonna put them in first gear because it tightens down. I'm not really sure. Let's see how far off it is from 80. I want to say it tightens down around 40 to 50. Using an adapter sucks. The tools are getting soaked. Especially when the adapter won't stay on right. Okay, so let's see how far off of 80 it is. Wow, not bad. Not as far off as I thought. So it's probably around 60 to 65-ish. Maybe in the, we'll go ahead and say like 50 to 60. That one was actually close. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna step it up, because I know this tool will do 100 in second gear. I don't have to show you, it will. Easily, pretty easily. Or actually, yeah, let's just go ahead and show you that. And this other tool, it will do about 110-ish, 120. So we'll go ahead and do 100. We'll do a little bit. We'll do a little bit. Okay. That's 100 foot-pounds. We'll go to speed 2, so you can see. And this is a freshly charged battery. Just went in and topped it off. Speed 2, 100 foot-pounds. That's that stubborn one. I don't know what's up with that one. And I can already see it's totally destroying the adapter. Like it's marred, it's chewed. So maybe I was wrong. It did 1 in speed 2. Now let's go ahead and step up to speed 3 just to prove they can do them. Like butter. Like they're not even there. Now, I know this one, we're gonna try 120 really quick. See if the big boy can do the 120 in first speed. Jump past 110. We're gonna go right to 120. There's 120 for you. We're gonna do that. I'm not gonna, if it does one, I'm not gonna do them all. We gotta move on to the other one. I'll even go to the hardest one. For some reason, this one's the hardest one. It must be rusted or worn out or something, I don't know. Speed 1. And this was not a fresh charged battery, it's still in full. 120. Did it. And like I said, in speed 1, this will tighten way over 100 foot-pounds. So if you're using this in a shop every day or whatever, do not trust that. You want to torque. So I know it'll do it in speed 1. I don't think this one will do it in speed 2, but I'm gonna try it anyway. Oh, whoa. Huh, crazy. Just gotta get that socket loose. It's a little bit worn. Now this one, for some reason, also is harder. But like I said, guys, this would be way more accurate if the actual car was jacked up, and maybe I'll film it again when it's not snowing. But right now I'm gonna haul ass because my camera is getting pretty soaked. But in speed 3, 120. Like nothing. So that one's tight. We're just gonna jump up to my max because we're in speed 3 now, and the max on this one is 150, but you can go past it. So I'll show you that. It goes to 150. So we're gonna tighten. Ugh, that's hard to do. So that's 140. We'll go up to, that's 150. And then I'm gonna go around again. That should be 160. I don't know how accurate. Let's go to, oh, it'll just go to 170, sorta. Don't know how accurate it is. We're gonna try it anyway. I know the big guy can do it, because I've got another video you should go check out on that. It'll go way over that. I mean, way over that. So, this is 170. Please don't snap my studs. Oh boy. Whew. Not easy to do. Oh boy, my camera's soaked. Alright, speed 3. Battery's still full. 170-ish. And like I said, that lug, I don't know what it is. See? It's this one and this one. They are strangely hard to do. And it's still got one on them. So that's 170 foot-pounds ish. I don't even know if that's accurate at all. That may be 270 for all I know. Getting warm. Now this other one was at 170. I'm gonna leave it in first gear. You can see how wet my tools are getting. My camera's even more wet. Let's see if it'll do in first gear. Okay, now we'll switch to second. Second. So in second gear, it'll put all, it'll probably at least do 200-ish, maybe a little bit more in second speed. Now, here's a little demo of the auto mode on this one. It tightens more than this one does in the auto mode. This one stops quicker. And it actually tightens it roughly to, I think, about 100, maybe 80. So what I'll do is I'll set this at, we'll set it at 100. See if we can make it click to loosen it. Okay, so right there, we're at 100. The little tool's getting hot. See if we can make it click. Okay, so it's at 100. I feel like this one's gonna break free easier. Nope. Oh boy. So that one's over 100. I just assumed the other one is. Let's turn it up to 120. So 120. Let's see if we can break them. What? Are you kidding me? Okay, so we're getting a fair reading here. So this one would not break free at 120. This one did break free at 120, so it's around 110-ish. We'll go ahead and widen the range to about 100 to 120. So I have to stop this video kind of short because my camera is soaked, but thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'm going to do some more videos, more tests on these tools, because so far on the subcompact set, the impact driver has actually surprised me the most. And I've got to get all these torqued back down to normal because this is my everyday driving car. So like I said, thanks for watching and tune in for more.